food processor will seriously cut down on the amount of time you spend in the kitchen, with designs that will slice, chop, and shred your food to make hand chopping a thing of the past. Most food processors can chop and slice at a minimum, with blade inserts that make food prep quick and easy. Some come with more functions though, such as a reversible disc that can slice and grate to make easy salads or fillings for sandwiches. Many also feature preset functions that will let you chop or puree completely hands-free, and some even have a whisk accessory that can be used to emulsify sauces like mayonnaise or making whipped cream. Although many of the best food processors are large enough to cater to a whole family, we also have included smaller models that won't take up too much space in your kitchen counter. If you want to double up your food processor with one of the best blenders, take a look at the complete kitchen systems from Ninja and Magic Bullet. For more picks from Breville, Cuisinart, and KitchenAid, here are our top picks. So, let's get started. Number 7. Magic Bullet Kitchen Express Food Processor. Features of this product: ultimate power, 1200 peak watt motor powers through tough ingredients, evenly mixes doughs, and chops with ease. Family-sized capacity, the 12-cup precision processing bowl is extra large and perfect for families and entertaining guests. Slice from thick to paper-thin, variable slice settings for thick to paper-thin results. Ninja blade technology, uniform processing and evenly mixed dough. XL feed chute with 3-part pusher, easily accommodates any size ingredient with less prep. For versatile programs, remove the guesswork with 4 AutoIQ easy preset programs. Reversible shredding disc, fine and coarse results from one disc. The next is Number 6. KitchenAid Cordless 5-Cup Food Chopper. Features of this product: cordless for the freedom to prep anywhere. No cord, and powered by a rechargeable battery, for the freedom to get creative and make wherever, whatever, and however you choose. Indoor use only. Chop up to 40 onions on a full battery charge, with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that delivers optimal runtime and performance, based on onion size of 90 to 110 grams. Universal, easy-to-use battery charger included. That works on all cordless products in the collection. Quick charge in 10 minutes to chop up to 11 onions, based on onion size of 90 to 110 grams. Space-saving, 5-cup compact designed to mix, chop, puree and whip up a variety of dishes without the hassle of the cord. Make everything from a salsa to a hearty hummus. The next is Number 5. Cuisinart Elemental 13-Cup Food Processor. Features of this product: what motor can process the toughest ingredients with ease? Professional performance, dedicated blades and discs deliver restaurant-worthy results. Precisely chop, consistently slice, and evenly mix all in one appliance. For versatile functions, for AutoIQ intelligent preset programs make food prep easier with 3 speeds, low, high, and pulse. Chop veggies, shred cheese, and make smooth sauces in quick pizza dough or cookie dough from scratch, all at the touch of a button. XL processing capacity, the 9-cup processing bowl delivers consistent results whether you're chopping a small batch or an entire bowlful of ingredients, great for large families and entertaining guests. The next is Number 4. Ninja Professional 9-Cup Food Processor. Features of this product: powerful crushing, the 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies with a powerful 2+ horsepower motor. Food processing, 8-cup food processor bowl provides perfect, even chopping and makes up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. For versatile functions, all 4 functions, blend, mix, crush and single serve, utilize 1500 watts of performance power to truly customize your drink making experience. On the go convenience, 2 16 ounces. Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids are perfect for creating personalized, nutrient-rich drinks to take on the go. The next is Number 3. Cuisinart 14-Cup Food Processor. Features of this product: superior function, Cuisinart 720-watt motor for our 14-cup large-capacity food processor can handle almost anything, Make any kind of dip, puree, soup or sauce including hummus, salsa, guacamole, the possibilities are endless. Must-have features. The 14-cup food processor has an on and off pulse buttons with Alexan bowl, extra large feed tube with small and large pusher bowl sleeve assembly. Also a detachable disc stem for easy use and clean up. Cord length is 36 inches. Included, stainless steel standard slicing disc, medium shredding disc and stainless steel chopping mixing blade. Also includes a spatula, instruction manual and recipe booklet with dishwasher safe parts. The next is Number 2. Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System with Auto IQ. Features of this product. More functionality. The Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System with Auto IQ features a new modern design and more functionality than Ninja's original kitchen system. Powerful crushing. Ninja Total Crushing Blades give you perfectly crushed ice for your smoothies and frozen drinks with 1400 peak watts of professional power. Food processing. The 8-cup precision processor bowl provides precision processing for even chopping and smooth purees. 5 versatile functions. 5 preset Auto IQ programs allow you to create smoothies, frozen drinks, nutrient extractions, chopped mixtures, and dough, all at the touch of a button. Extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. The next is Number 1. Ninja Professional 9-cup food processor. Features of this product. Most powerful kitchen food processor. The 1000 peak watt motor can process the toughest ingredients with ease. Professional performance. Dedicated blades and discs deliver restaurant-worthy results. Precisely chop, consistently slice, and evenly mix all in one appliance. For versatile functions, for Auto IQ intelligent preset programs make food prep easier with 3 speeds, low, high, and pulse. Chop veggies, shred cheese, and mix smooth sauces in quick pizza dough or cookie dough from scratch, all at the touch of a button. Mix dough in seconds. Powerful dough mixer has the torque to fold in ingredients quickly and evenly, making up to 2 pounds of dough in as little as 30 seconds. So, this is the best option for you to buy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.